Hi there. It's the Monday after break, and I have two tests and a discussion tomorrow. So we're gonna prep for that. So we're gonna start with bio, and I have a test on cladograms and PCR gel electrophoresis tomorrow. So I'm going to read an article on cladograms and then do like a few practice tests for tomorrow. Okay, so I just finished bio, so I'm gonna go wash up and then do some laying discussion prep. Okay, so I just washed up and now I'm gonna work on my laying prep for tomorrow's discussion. And by the way, this is a shirt that my class made for our holiday fundraiser. Just finished my leg prep, so now we're gonna go study for A push a little bit. I just finished watching all my lectures for A push, and I just got an email from my teacher saying that my A push test is pushed back to next Tuesday. So I'm gonna take the time to study for my stats quiz tomorrow. Okay, so I finished everything I wanted to get through today, and I don't have anything like crazily grade determining tomorrow. So I'm going to reward myself and watch like the last 20 minutes of a movie I started on Sunday. What are you doing?
I'm about to throw the snowball at you.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
I'm about to throw the snowball at you.
So today was probably one of the busiest days I've had in a while. Of course, I had my bio test at school, which wasn't like terribly hard, so I guess that's good. And then after school, I had a dissection for my Future Doctors of America club, where basically we took a sheep pluck and then kind of cut into it, and then you could like we exposed the different like veins and arteries and airways, especially in the lungs. So we learned about how like the trachea actually splits into like two paths, which split into more paths depending on like the left or like which side of the lungs you're on, which is I think really cool. And after that, I tutored a middle school student, one of my middle school students in violin. So I helped her out with one of her solo pieces. And after that, I had my own violin lesson. So now that that's all done, I'm gonna start my schoolwork. And for school, I'm not like terribly busy today. I don't have anything outstanding for the next 2 days. But I'm gonna probably go over my old laying rhetorical analysis because I have one tomorrow. And nothing can really like study for, but I'll probably do like a practice one. And then I have to probably start reviewing for A push because I have an essay on Friday. That's probably grade determining. And then I'll start studying for my stats test, which is on Thursday, but it shouldn't take like that much time. So right now it's like 10:34 and I'm hoping to sleep by 12:30 tonight. I just finished practicing and studying for my RA tomorrow for laying, but that took way longer than what I thought it would take because I ended up kind of like trying to write formulaically, if that makes sense, trying to like go through my old writing and try to find like the formula steps that I use to get a good grade. So I just kind of spent like a long time like making like a formula sheet for myself tomorrow so I can just kind of memorize it and then just plug in the context, which is I think will be helpful. And then I also just kind of wrote one paragraph of a practice one based on like one of the AP prompts. So yeah, that's what's going on for tomorrow, but I guess we'll just have to cram a push and stats tomorrow together, which will not be that fun, but I mean, it is what it is. So the hospital, it's snowing. Hi, so I just finished volunteering and then I made a quick Target run to get some Vaseline actually. And then now I'm going to finish stats. I did a lot of it while I was at volunteering, but I'm just gonna look at the answer keys and everything for my worksheets and finish those. And then just do as much A push notes as I can before like maybe 1 o'clock. So I just finished these 5 worksheets for stats, and now I'm gonna do as much 8 push as I can before I have to sleep. So that's exciting. Oh my god, it's still dark out. So I just got back from school, and then stats test went pretty well. So that's good. I, dragged myself out of bed this morning a little early to get some 8 push done, and I'm kind of glad I did. Still have a lot of stuff to do, but right now I'm gonna eat first. So got this like salmon bowl with like noodles in it from my school, and it's pretty good. And then matcha, as always. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I eat this before I start. Okay, so I just finished my 8 push prep for my reconstruction LEQ tomorrow. And then I think I did pretty well. I think I got all my evidence and everything solid, so that's fine. But right now it's I think about 4:30 in the morning. So that's that. Sleep schedule's gonna be cooked for the next few days, but it's okay. Cause I don't think I'll be too tired. Because well, first of all, I'll have a Celsius or something tomorrow, but second of all, I actually took a nap from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. today, so the sleep I think adds up, hopefully. And then tomorrow I'm just worried about having enough time to write everything, because this will be the first time that we write all 3 body paragraphs, and this essay also happens to be grade determining for me, so we'll hope for the best. But yeah, it's just the timing that I'm worrying about, because usually even if we're writing 2 body paragraphs, I barely finish in time, but it's the same time constraint for 3, so we'll see how that goes. So today's Saturday, and I pretty much slept the whole day. But right now we're gonna start studying for calc, because oh my god, I have a test on Monday and I literally have been so behind. So we're gonna learn everything this weekend. And also I have the biggest brain fog of all time. I think it's because I've been consistently sleeping late for the past week. But hopefully we can fix that this weekend. And then I also have to study for my German presentation, which is on Tuesday, as well as my bio test. So let's start on that.
Car traveled at constant velocity of 60 miles per hour during
I just studied a little bit of calc, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go make dinner.
Saw you walking in the street one day, it was a Sunday. You had flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care that everyone was watching you were moving to the beat, cause you're swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were strutting for them, cause you know just what you do.
So I was low-key still pretty hungry, so I made myself 팔도 비빔면. So I just finished being gluttonous, and now we're gonna go back to studying for that.
If I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love. Cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you wanna, and I can't help but smile. And then I start to tap my feet and bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I never. Never thought I would've felt that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over yours and now you got me, and I just can't breathe with you here, babe. You should know, you can tell me how you feel, put your heart out if it's real. You can dance till 3 in the morning. I don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too, so if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love. Cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you wanna, and I can't help but smile. And then I started to tap my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I. Honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. But I just don't know what to say, cause it's hard for me to walk away. But honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, it's hard for me to walk away. So if I already told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love. Cause things have never been this
Hi. So, post game interview. Calc test was like probably the lightest test I've ever taken. Like, it was nothing like the formatives or anything. So that's good.
If I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore.